Hey there, welcome to today's video. Today we're going to tackle a common problem that many Android developers face when working with DataStore. The issue arises when trying to compile even a simplified version of an Android app using DataStore, resulting in compilation errors related to unresolved references like edit and stringPreferencesKey. It can be quite frustrating to encounter these errors, especially when everything seems to be in order. Now, let's dig into the solution to this problem. The key here is to downgrade the version of androidx.datastore DataStore preferences from 1.1.5 to 1.1.4. By making this simple adjustment, you should be able to compile your app without any issues. It's a temporary fix until the bugs in version 1.1.5 or iron out. Remember, sometimes taking a step back in versions can be a step forward in progress. In summary, encountering compilation errors related to unresolved references in DataStore can be a real headache. However, by downgrading androidx.datastore DataStore preferences to version 1.1.4, you can bypass these errors and keep moving forward with your Android app development. I hope this solution helps you in overcoming this hiccup in your project. And with that, I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like the video, and drop a comment below. Happy coding, and may the bugs be ever in your favor.